Okay, in this video I will be teaching you how to add your own channel icon. We will be using Pic Collage and then uploading it to YouTube. Okay, so by the way, Pic Collage is free, available on the App Store. And just so you know, I will be using an iPad. It's very similar for a computer or phone, or very similar laptop. I'm sure it will be very similar for any device you're using. Okay, so we are currently in Pic Collage. As you know, it is free and available on the App Store. So we just want to click on the plus button because that's how we can create our own template or draft, as you want to call it. Now we want to click on the 1-1, that's the shape of the square, because our channel icon is going to be close to that size rather than the other ones. Okay, so in Pic Collage you can do multiple things if you've never heard of it. Change your background, give text, do a web image. We'll start with just changing up the background. So we want to get a color that's good. I kind of like the second one that comes up. It's got a good texture to it. So let's just pick this one. Okay, now what we can do is we can search for an image if you want to make yours more complex. There's a web image searcher. But for now, we're just going to keep it simple and rather make it a lot more simpler. So the video can be more simple. Okay, so we're just going to write test channel, because that's the name of the channel I made just for this video, and possibly for more. And then what we want to do is we can change the font if we want. There's like plenty of different fonts. You can even make custom colors if you want. So I'm just going to make a custom color because I feel like that is probably best. So you can adjust these as you like, get your perfect color. And once you're done that, then we'll move on. Okay, so once you've got the text and the color, you're going to have to adjust the size of it so that it can be the right size. You want it to be quite big, not too small. Yeah, pretty much. Once you get in the right position, just click the done button and it will go an option to save to library. You want to click on that. Okay, so we are currently in YouTube and let's get the icon. So click on your current icon and then go into your channel. And I've already actually put in the icon, but I realized there was a problem. And then what you want to go is you want to go on the gear icon or the settings button. Click on that, and then you just click on the photo icon and then choose from your photos, and that's how you would add your icon. But as you can see, there is a problem, the watermark. Okay, so I didn't think I really explained that well how you actually add your own icon. So you just click on where the photo button is, where your icon is, here in your channel settings. And then you basically just choose from your photos, and then you select the photo that you want to put in. Okay, after we finish cropping, we will add the icon in as the photo, and I'll show you exactly how you actually add the icon in. So don't worry if you didn't understand from before. Okay, so let's get rid of the watermark problem. As you can see, there was a watermark, little bit of it in it, so we just have to crop it a bit. And make sure it's like a square, because that's kind of the position we need it in. This might not happen to you, but maybe if you don't, it might happen. Highly likely. So just you need to crop it a little bit, and then we just click done, and now it's saved. Okay, now we just got to add it. Okay, so now we got to add the icon. So you go choose from your photos after we click on the icon, as you know. Let's click on moments, and then here it is, test channel. So all we have to do is click on it, and then this is it. We got to position it at the right spot so the square is highlighting most of it, which is good. And once that's completed, all you want to do is click save. So just make sure you get a good angle, good so it's in. Okay, now that it's saved, it's just loading into the icon bar, and that is it. So now let's just go back to our channel page, and we will see the icon and how it looks. So yeah, so this is it. You can see it fits in. I know the C and the L you can't see properly, but that's how you'd want it. It looks pretty good, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope I did help you out. Hope you've got a good channel icon now. Obviously, you can customize it. You can make it different if you want, add pictures, you know, do whatever with it. If you aren't subscribed, then your channel icon is going to be really bad. So make sure you're subscribed.